What's up everybody, it's KelseeBrianaJai here with another installment of the new Pat McGrath mini eyeshadow palettes. In this video I will be doing an eye tutorial using the new Platinum Bronze palette. This one is the play off of the Subliminal palette from her original Mothership lineup. And if you guys have not seen my initial post that I did on all three of these, I did a review on them as well as provided swatches and gave a little bit more feedback in it. But in this video I'm just going to be doing a tutorial using the eyeshadow palette. I love the look that I created with this palette. I feel like these eyeshadows performed beautifully. I think that overall this is the smoothest performing palette out of the three, and I love the look that I created today. I think that you can do a lot of different looks with this one, but I wanted to stick with something a little bit more neutral, so you can definitely take this palette from day to night. But I think that this look that I created is pretty versatile. If you're interested in any of the details of what's on my face, I will have all of that information down in the description box. So with no further ado, I present to you this eye tutorial. Taking a NARS number 42 blending brush, I'm going to dip into the color Smoke and Mirrors, and I want that in my crease. And I'm going to take this back and forth and build this color up. I already had my eyes primed and set. I'm going to make sure that this color is really diffused because colors like this can look dirty if not. So go back and forth until it's a good wash, but this color is very pigmented. Once you have that applied, now let's move on to the next color. So I'm going to take a 239 brush by MAC in the color Platinize, and I'm going to pop this color right on my inner corner and blend it over. So I'm not going to take this color all the way over. I'm going to stop it about here. Same brush, and I'm going to take the color Ritualistic, tap off the excess, and I'm going to tap this color on the lid. I'm not going to take it all the way across. I'm going to stop it about here. And I'm going to make sure to blend this with the color that I applied for the inner corner as well as the color in the crease, but I'm not going to take it too far up into the crease. Same brush, and you see I left a little bit of space open on the outer corner. I'm going to take the color Deep Velvet and apply that color on that area. Let's just pack this on. Tapping it upwards into the crease, and go back with your blending brush and make sure that everything is seamless. So going in with the pencil brush, I'm going to take the color Platinize and rim it around and put it on my lower inner corner. And same brush, and I'm going to take the color Telepathic Taupe and apply that on the rest of the lower lash line. My eyes are being really sensitive right now. They won't stop watering. So I definitely want to make sure that I only put shimmers, because a shimmer getting wet, it looks okay, but a matte eyeshadow getting wet, it looks horrible. So I'm going to Tear Ducts color, and I'm just going to drag it across. I'm just going to be done with my eye look simply because my eyes won't stop watering. But I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look using the Platinum Bronze palette. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Smooches! Bye!